Sometimes you have a photo and it's just the lighting is a little bit off, and we can improve the lighting and color with a few quick tricks we'll go over right now. So go ahead and open up brightness, levels, and curves.jpg, and we'll add some adjustment layers. So click on the bottom of the layers panel where it says create new fill or adjustment layer. And first we're going to go to brightness and contrast. And if we go to the left, obviously it's going to make it darker. Go to the right, it's going to make it lighter. And this one, I think adding just a little bit of brightness helps. You could experiment with the contrast. If you go way to the left, it's going to be a flatter looking photo. Way to the right, you're going to have a high contrasty photo. This one, I don't think we really need to adjust it, but the brightness really helps out a bit. So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to click on the background layer again, add another adjustment layer. And with the levels, just click on adjustment layer, then levels. We have the shadows here. That doesn't really help adjusting there. Or the highlights, if we bring them over to the left a little bit, you see there's this kind of mountain range of tone. We don't have much content here, so we can really bring that until where that kind of what I call a mountain range begins. And these mid-tones we can adjust as well. If you think that's too bright, you can leave that all the way to the right, the highlights, and just adjust the mid-tones. All right, I'm going to bring that to the left actually, about 1.59 or so. And if any of these effects are too strong, you can adjust the opacity. So if you bring the opacity down, the brightness contrast, or the levels, it's going to affect it and how strong the effect is. Do need to crop this as well. We could do content aware, but I'm just going to crop it with the crop tool. And then there you go. That's a much better photo. If you uncheck these two adjustment layers, you can see the original. It's a little bit underexposed, not bright enough. And then the final result with these two quick effects with the brightness contrast and the levels adjustment layers.